Hi everybody, I'm Elijah from Crooked Row, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make smashed potatoes. Now, for all of our home growers, this is going to be a video today about like what to do with your smaller potatoes. Like, let's say like this, because this isn't like, I can't bake this in the oven and then just say, oh well, this is just going to go with a steak. It's not a very big potato. Maybe like you need 12 of them to make one big potato. But these are perfect. You can still use them. Don't throw them away because they're perfect for stuff like appetizers. So, or you could just like top them up and put them in cubed like potatoes and fry them with eggs or something. I don't know. Do whatever you want to do with them. Just don't throw them away because that's a waste. You grew them, and there's plenty of uses for them. So today I'm going to be showing one of many, and because we're going into the football season, I'm going to be making an appetizer because, you know, who doesn't watch a football game without an appetizer? They're really good. So I'm gonna go to the potato row, dig up all the little potatoes, and then we'll go to the kitchen and we'll see you guys in a bit. So as you guys saw, super easy process, just dug them up. I also have a video on how to dig up potatoes and what to do with them. If you guys want to go watch that, you can. It's going to be down in the description if you want to. But all these are super small. I'm just going to take these to the kitchen and I'm going to show you the appetizer that I'm going to make with these. So let's go. Okay guys, we are inside and I'm going to be making the appetizer now. So first thing that you're going to do is fill up a pot. According to how many potatoes you want, just fill up your pot to that. I'm going to boil this and then I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt. So I will come back to you once this is boiling. Okay, so now that the water is boiling, we can add in the salt and then add in the potatoes. Now that I have the potatoes in, I'm going to cover them and then put them, let them boil for like 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, it has been like 25 minutes and these are like really soft now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take these and put them in a colander and I'm going to let them dry for 5 minutes inside of the colander. And then we're going to put them on a pan and smash them down. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes and now these are looking dry. So we are going to put them onto a baking sheet. We're going to smush them down. Then we're going to pepper them and salt them, and then we're going to put olive oil and butter over them, and we're going to put them in the oven at 400 degrees for about like 25 minutes. Okay, so if you want these crispy, you're going to want to press them really thin. But if they're thick, they're not going to get as crispy as you might like them. So just to let you know, if you want them to be crispy, then you're going to have to press them really flat. I'm going to try to press them flat, and I'm going to try to use the bottom of a jar. So. Okay, now I am going to add the butter, and we use coconut oil. You don't have to use coconut oil, you can use olive oil too, but we use coconut oil. So I'm just going to put that over that for the oil, then I'm going to salt and pepper it, and then I'm going to put it in the oven at 400.
Alright guys, I'm getting ready to try Elijah's taco potatoes for the first time. That's really good. Hold on, let me get a crispy one. I really like this because it's kind of like a potato chip when you pick it up. Only it's thicker and it has a little bit more of a fleshy bite to it as opposed to a crispy one. And then the meat just complements it perfectly. If you ever had like a Mexican potato skin, it ends up being kind of similar to that. So yeah, this is definitely something I would make for your next get together.
All right, that looks really good. I really can't wait to eat that stuff, like, cause I'm hungry. All that work. So that's just one of the many ways that you can use your little potatoes for cooking just anything. Like, you can cut it up, cook them, and then use them with your eggs. You could use it for mashed potatoes. There's just so many things that you could use those little potatoes for, and a lot of people throw them away. And I just want to say, like, you should never do that, because it's just a waste of food, and you grew it. So just always find a way that you can use food. So remember guys, if I can dig up potatoes and make smashed potatoes with them, anybody can. Thanks. Bye.